So there are many different types of US business visas, but the key ones to keep in mind would be the E visas, the L visas, the H-1Bs, and the O visas. So the E visas are for companies or individuals who are looking to put an investment into the US and develop and direct that investment. The E1 visas are for companies or individuals who are already trading and selling goods or services to the US, to US customers, and may want to then further that trade by setting up a marketing office in the US and building that trade further. The E1 could apply to those individuals. There's the H-1B visa, which is a visa for professionals in a specialty occupation who want to work for a US company. There are a lot of restrictions on the H-1B visa, namely that there's a limit on the number of visas granted per year. So there are quite a few limitations. The L1 visa is a visa for intercompany transferees. So this would be for someone who's working for, say, a UK company for at least 1 year, who wants to then transfer to the US subsidiary. The individual has to either have a managerial level role or a specialized knowledge role. And there are many restrictions on how specialized knowledge is defined. The final visa to be mindful of is the O1 visa, which is for extraordinary ability workers. Now, this doesn't apply to most people, but if you can show that you have reached high level of recognition in your profession, as evidenced by awards, membership in prestigious organizations, or some novel, unique contribution to your field, you might be eligible for an O1 visa, which doesn't have a cap on the number of visas granted per year, but you do need a US sponsor for that visa. So there are a number of different options. They all have certain requirements, all quite complex, and you do want to work with an expert to determine the best option for you.